at Granny's house.
Mansala ka muna ba yun bago ko nang mabas?
I sometimes glitch.
Akin na muna yan, di. Lalabas lang.
Jump scared. Players jump scared me. And Granny keeps on
Galang ka muna.
like
Mo, bibili ka nga eh.
breaking me out. Like this little camping.
Pag-akyat mo, matuloy.
Sorry guys, that's my car. I got a You are on me. So I found this something in the room. Before I started
Ito naman sa
recording.
ano, diaper 95. Bilisan mo!
So I got
isang white powder.
kaka.
Dalawang kape, dalawang gatas.
I have a sticky.
Ay, dalawang kape, dalawang gatas, isang chocolate.
I have a helicopter. This may work on the helicopter. In the world. Oh, shut up. Bring that grandpa.
Yung pride powder, isa, tsaka isang barika na pride.
That's the specialty. What I got?
Oh. Dalawang gatas, dalawang
Candy. Nothing. Grandpa's score. Let's go to the park.
wala isang
Inside.
chocolate.
What is
Dalawang
that?
kape nga eh, dalawang gatas.
What's this?
Oh, 50 bigas. Ang
Need this for the Robida. Robaba.
Oh, tapos 50 saging maganda kahit pa. Maganda kahit konti. Oo.
Why is this?
Maganda kahit
Why
konti,
is his
maganda.
eyes?
Wala na eh.
Why are your eyes
Saging maganda kahit konti. Maganda.
glowing?
Oh, 100. Wala kulang.
What was that? What was that freaking?
Naku ka isa. Sure.
Oh.
Tama, kulang na.
Oh,
Oh, isang... Beautiful oh. Wow, beautiful.
Alright, can
Ano, hanggang, di ba nalista mo na yung bigas, 1 kilo? Bilisan mo na. Orista mo na. Patagal ka pa, saging maganda kahit konti.
what was that freaking sound? I got a sound.
Oo, saging maganda kahit konti. Wala ang manok sa langis na. Ang wala yung bukas, nakakulag na yan.
Grandpa
Kuya,
is gone. Ow.
Simulan dito sa kanin. Bakit baka konti na yan? Tanga, hindi na kasya. Wala nang hindi na kasya. Parang hindi kasya. Sige, sabihin mo.
Can I have a helicopter, please?
Sabihin mo.
What about that?
Oo. Oo.
Sa package.
Oo. Oo.
Yo, what was that girl? What was that? Girl, Ash girl. Video, I already got that. For what? What? No.
Wait lang, ang baba ng 76. Nandiyan yung 576 minus 30. Uy, ano kinakain mo?
You're like the first one. This is right at the top.
Kulang po mo. Ang galing mo
Go to the window. Oh, well.
Ang galing mo na yung champion. Ay, pero
And Trey.
pala yun. 530.
Caterpillar. Got that.
Ang tanggalin mo na 576 na, tanggalin ko yung champion, and then yung review 560 lang. Diba? 576 nga, ito mo, tanggalin mo nga yung champion. O, 560, 530 na yung kukunin ko sa 30 ni Castelo.
Whoa, why is there?
560 nga. Mall. 530.
What is it?
560.
Get this and go, go, go. Weapon key time.
Oh, bakit nung sa champion? O, 16 yung nag-list ako sa champion. Kala ka mo naman yung isang kape bilhin mo.
No! You freaking grandma!
Hugas mo ng kape. Labang mo muna yung basahan na yun.
I already started.
Dito, mabigas ko si Tito.
It's very hard.
Nawakan pa yung mukha.
Hard made.
Ayan, huwag na bumabagi.
Chira chita, chira chita.
Ano?
I don't know about you, I'm also. Yo, this thing is soft. I'm gonna eat some meat.
Kain ka banana?
I don't want to be a thing.
Ako pinigulo sa
I
banana.
don't want to be a helicopter key.
Banana, mama. Banana. Banana.
Chura chita, chura chita. Get out.
Baso kutsara. Baso kutsara. Baso kutsara. Ako na mag-abot sa'yo. Nilalaro niya pa eh.
One away.
Tatakpak mo na lang ito. Kasi ito'y dada.
How am I supposed to get out, bro? I'm little freaking
Say dada. Jadi mantul itu.
What do I do? I'm stuck. No, Grandma, get out of my way. Get out of my house.
Bungal. Bungal.
I'm gonna get your bed. I'm gonna be you a meatball. I'm gonna throw a lot of meat at you and your fat, and you're gonna explode the house, and we're leaving to part 3.
Bili mo na yung
Freaking. Grandma. That means kidding me. I hate this game. I still really didn't like it. Can I go to a spike? No. I'm invincible to spikes. Boy. Yay, I'm invincible to spikes. Then I'm invincible to grams. There's the cutting pillars. Go. Granny with the where you see later. Behind you. Nice, creepy. Where's this big? Freaking grandma. I'm gonna be angry.
Baka kumain ka, paunahin mo muna yun. Sana ka na, pagkakatulog ko yun na, totoo na, Diyos niyo, mamimam.
Randy Buddy.
Ikaw na magpapa patay.
Granny Paddy, goodbye.
Hindi mo naman pinag-version eh.
But no problem,
Tumayo ka lang ako. O,
Like the cruiser that is from Roblox stores. What's that freaking sound? Helicopter key. Helicopter. Alright, that's it. I'm using the boat. Bye. Bye. Stun it. Granny, Grandma, get out.
Oo, kaya bilisan mo makakagad.
This is my house.
Bakit mo magbubugan? Tatay mo wala naman siya ano. Go with the flow.
I'm going down to the basement to use this.
Ang spirit naman ni Simple. Say, pretty ko.
Actually, I have to go here.
What is the feelings of the Lord? You are a pretty girl ko. Where do you
I'm the boss. Oh. Give me the freaking boat. Get it. Start ending. Seriously. If you like that video, please subscribe to win. Smash that like button. Subscribe. What's going
Oh,
on?
mama.
I'm gonna lock myself.
Can you say hi? Anong ginagamit? Oh, Yes. Let it go on your head.
Trapping like
Yes.
Bye.
Peekaboo.